drama. Only wanna do it once, bring them back and make them a mess. God forbid something happens, at least the song is a smash. Thought I'd end up a shot, worried on to the beach. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I'm listening left. Even almost get married, and for pain I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing, see the fountain of love, but that's not what I see. Look what I got, look what you taught me. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so spend my time with my friends. I don't worry about nothing, plus I'm with someone else. We having better discussions. I know they say I move on too fast, but this one will last. This hurting is already, and it's already bad. Thank you, next. I'm so grateful for my ex. Thank you, next. Say thank you, next. Yeah. What's up, Jensen? Grabe, birthday ko pa rin. Thank you so much, Blooms. Blooms Jensen, mahal na mahal namin kayo. Kung di nyo lang alam kung gaano namin kayo kamahal. And gusto ko lang sabihin na nalulungkot ako and happy at the same time kasi ito na yung last. Thank you, next go for Beanieverse. Pero happy ako kasi sa inyo ko yun naipakita. Diba? The girl who loves pink. Mukha na akong naglalakad na color pink, diba? Ayun, pag ayaw natin, joke lang, hindi. Mali ko na ba? Ayun lang, gusto ko lang i-share na nag-fever ako kanina and kagabi, pero nilaban ko talaga to. Nilaban ko, gusto ko mag-perform with you. Kasi, wala lang, kasi naisip ko, sabi ko, last leg na to. And isa to sa mga pinakamalaking crowd na pagpe-performan namin for Beanieverse, diba? So, nilaban ko talaga siya. Sabi ko, gusto ko mag-perform. And ayokong OT7 lang for tonight. Okay, so dahil ayoko ng OT7, ready na ba ang girls? Girls! And now, the girls, be right back.